Welcome to our video on 5 incredible breakfasts for diabetics. In managing diabetes, starting your day with a meal that keeps your blood sugar in check while fueling your body with essential nutrients is important. A balanced breakfast can set the tone for your day, keeping your blood sugar levels stable and providing the energy you need. For diabetics, the right breakfast can help prevent those mid-morning blood sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained and unwell. Before we start, kindly do us a favor. Please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Now, let's start our countdown of the 5 incredible breakfasts for diabetics. Starting our list at number 5 is Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. This simple yet satisfying meal is a powerhouse of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, all of which play a critical role in blood sugar management. Greek yogurt stands out because it's richer in protein than regular yogurt. This protein not only helps build and repair tissues, but also slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood glucose levels. It's also lower in lactose and carbohydrates, making it a more suitable option. When it comes to choosing the best yogurt, opt for plain, unsweetened varieties. Flavored yogurts often contain added sugars, which can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. To add natural sweetness, we turn to fresh berries, one of nature's finest gifts to those managing diabetes. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low in calories and sugar, but high in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, a common issue in diabetics. It is also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which not only aids digestion, but also slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps to prevent the post-meal glucose spikes that can be harmful over time. The fiber in berries, combined with their natural sweetness, makes them a perfect topping for Greek yogurt. Adding a handful of nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pecans introduces healthy fats and more fiber into the mix. These nuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels or low-density proteins, LDL. Additionally, nuts provide a satisfying crunch and a dose of magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in glucose metabolism. A study in the World Journal of Diabetes found that magnesium can improve insulin action and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Together, the yogurt, berries, and nuts create a delicious, well-rounded breakfast that supports stable blood sugar levels and overall health. Coming in at number 4 is scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. This meal is a fantastic way to kickstart your day with a mix of high-quality protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Eggs have long been celebrated as a nutritional powerhouse. They are an excellent source of complete protein, so you get all the essential amino acids your body needs to function optimally. This protein is particularly important because it helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of glucose from other foods. In addition to protein, eggs are rich in several vital nutrients, including vitamins B12 and D, selenium, and choline. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining bone health and supporting immune function, while choline is crucial for brain health and development. These nutrients make eggs a highly beneficial food for your overall health, especially for those managing chronic conditions like diabetes. Spinach, a dark leafy green, is a low-calorie food packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's especially high in magnesium, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of complications. The fiber in spinach also helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps prevent the blood sugar spikes that can occur after meals, making spinach an ideal addition to your morning eggs. To complete this breakfast, pair your scrambled eggs with fresh spinach and a slice of whole grain toast. Whole grains are a rich source of complex carbohydrates, which are digested more slowly than refined carbs, resulting in a steady supply of glucose and preventing rapid increases in blood sugar levels. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition found that consumption of whole grains has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. It highlights that choosing whole grain options over refined grains can make a significant difference in managing blood sugar levels. Whole grains are also rich in essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants, which contribute to overall health and well-being. At number 3, we have chia seed pudding with almond milk. This is a meal that is particularly well-suited for diabetics due to its high fiber content, low glycemic load, and abundance of healthy fats. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're packed with nutrition. They are an excellent source of soluble fiber. The high fiber content in chia seeds makes them an ideal food for blood sugar management. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect against heart disease, a common concern among diabetics. A study in the journal Molecules found that chia seeds have been shown to improve satiety, reduce postprandial blood glucose levels, and support heart health in people with type 2 diabetes. When combined with almond milk, chia seeds create a creamy, pudding-like consistency that is satisfying and beneficial for your overall health. Almond milk is a low-calorie, low-carb alternative to dairy milk, making it a great option for those looking to manage their carbohydrate intake. It's also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports skin health. For added flavor and sweetness, you can enhance your chia seed pudding with natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or a small amount of honey. You can also experiment with flavorings such as vanilla extract, cinnamon, or cocoa powder. For a more substantial meal, consider adding toppings like fresh berries or a handful of nuts to your chia seed pudding. These additions not only enhance the flavor, but also provide additional fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, further supporting your blood sugar management goals. Sliding into number 2 is oatmeal with flax seeds and cinnamon. This warm, comforting meal is rich in soluble fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full. Oats are whole grains high in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. Similar to the other options, oats also slow the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to balanced blood sugar levels. Flax seeds are an excellent addition to oatmeal, as they are also high in soluble fiber and contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These tiny seeds are also rich in lignans, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and improve insulin sensitivity. Adding flax seeds to your oatmeal not only boosts its nutritional content, but also enhances its ability to support blood sugar control. Cinnamon is another powerful ingredient to include in your oatmeal. This spice has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon contains bioactive compounds that can mimic the effects of insulin, helping to move glucose into cells and lowering blood sugar levels. A study published in the International Journal of Food Science found that the regular consumption of cinnamon has been shown to reduce fasting blood glucose levels and improve lipid profiles in people with type 2 diabetes. The study emphasizes the potential benefits of incorporating cinnamon into the diet as a natural way to support blood sugar control. Adding a dash of cinnamon to your oatmeal not only enhances its flavor, but also provides an additional layer of support for blood sugar management. By combining oats, flax seeds, and cinnamon, you create a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that work together to keep your blood sugar levels stable and your heart healthy. For added variety, consider topping your oatmeal with fresh fruit like sliced bananas, apples, or berries. You can also stir in a spoonful of nut butter or a handful of nuts for added healthy fats and protein, further enhancing the meal's ability to stabilize blood sugar. Topping our list at number 1 is avocado toast with poached egg. When topped with a poached egg, this meal becomes even more satisfying and nutritionally balanced. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats known to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. For diabetics, these fats are particularly beneficial because they help to improve insulin sensitivity, which helps the body manage blood sugar levels easily. Avocados are also high in fiber, which helps with the slow digestion of carbohydrates and prevents a sudden increase in blood sugar levels. In addition to their fat and fiber content, avocados are a great source of several essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin E, and folate. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and counteracts the effects of sodium, reducing the risk of hypertension. Whole grain toast serves as the base for this breakfast, providing a source of complex carbohydrates that are digested more slowly than refined grains. As mentioned earlier, whole grains are rich in fiber, which further aids in blood sugar control. Choosing whole grain bread over white bread ensures that you're getting more nutrients and less of the refined sugars that can cause blood sugar spikes. Topping your avocado toast with a poached egg adds a high-quality source of protein, which is important for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. Protein promotes satiety, keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that the combination of dietary fat and protein, as found in meals like avocado toast with a poached egg, can significantly improve postprandial blood glucose responses in individuals with type 2 diabetes. This makes avocado toast with a poached egg an ideal breakfast for diabetics. For an extra flavor boost, consider adding a sprinkle of chili flakes, a squeeze of lemon juice, or a handful of fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley. These additions not only enhance the taste, but also provide additional antioxidants and nutrients that support overall health. And there you have it, the 5 incredible breakfasts for diabetics: Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast, chia seed pudding with almond milk, oatmeal with flax seeds and cinnamon, and avocado toast with poached egg. Each of these meals is designed to provide a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all of which are essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and supporting overall health. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially when you're managing a condition like diabetes. By making smart, nutritious choices in the morning, you set yourself up for success throughout the day, keeping your energy levels stable and your blood sugar in check. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health tips. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of the breakfasts mentioned in this video? Share your favorite diabetic-friendly breakfast in the comments below. Together, we can create a community of support and inspiration for those looking to live healthier lives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.